What's going on, guys? Alvarez Performance here, and today we're going to be doing a teardown video because I'm going to be using some of the parts for this to put on this because I realized some of the little minor stuff isn't there, but this motor has it because I had it running with it, and it should be fine. The fire is not going to affect bolts and stuff like that. So let's get into it.
Black Beats.
That's it right here, Black.
Hey, Duval.
So 3/8 impact.
Nah, he ain't see me. He would've yelled. And then, literally.
Okay. Down to the block now. It's just this. There's nothing wrong with this either. Honestly, I'm probably gonna leave it right here. This most likely will be used later on for a 7 AGE build. That's the only reason why I was really taking this motor apart anyway. Other than getting parts off for this one. longer than expected, only because I had no 10 millimeters that were a 12-point socket, and that's what I needed to take out the head bolts. But now that that's out, we're good. So now we can start focusing on this baby and get this thing up to par. We're gonna be changing the block color. Those valve covers are actually going on my turbo motor. They're just sitting on it to look nice, you know. But it's gonna get a whole makeover, and you're gonna be able to see it in our videos. Just wait. It's gonna be lit. Let me know what you guys think about my video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and you know, let me know what's going on.